Hi friends, welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing a DMart haul. I bought all these organizers and containers. You can see here. Now let's get started. First one, the multi-purpose basket or container. In this multi-colors are there, but I like this color. So I bought this. I want to keep some beauty products and it also contains a lid, you can see here. I got this for 259 rupees and the material is also good. And the second one is the eye mask. I bought this for 39 rupees. When I travel long distance, when I sleep, I don't like lighting, so I bought this. You can see it also contains elastic band backside to hold, and the material is also good. And the third one, rattan gift box, I bought for 99 rupees. This is very nice and it is very delicate. You can see here it is very flexible and the material is also good and also very soft. I bought this for keeping my daily wear jewelry. And the fourth one I bought is plastic oil container. You can see here it is very nice and the material is also good. This bottle and the material is also good. You can see here it is very nice. In this only two colors are there. I like black one, so I brought this. Next one is eggs holder. This is 79 rupees. Three colors are available. I have taken this blue color. Next one, steel grater. I bought this for 149 rupees and the steel is also good. You can see here there is a plastic piping at the bottom. It helps not to slip while we are grating. And the top you can also see it is very good for holding. And the next one I brought is plastic container. I got this for 35 rupees. This is airtight container. I brought this to store dry fruits and the material is also good. Next one is remote holder. This I got for 79 rupees. I want to use this holder to store knives, scissors, any kitchen related items, and the material is also good. And the next one is brush holder for bathroom. I got this for 109 rupees. Material is too good. It is very strong to store brushes, paste. You can see here two holes are there to hang the brush holder. The next one is beauty scissors for 35 rupees. It is very small. I brought this to cut eyebrows. It is very nice and small. And another one is zip file holder for 12 rupees to store my bank passbooks, Aadhaar and any important papers or bills. Next is steel rack for plates. This I bought this for 179 rupees. I already had one, but I bought this to keep dosa pans, chapati pan, cutting boards. Next one is plastic holders. You can see here These two I brought for 39 rupees each, and the small one I bought for 10 rupees. I want to keep any makeup brushes, to keep all makeup related items. And the next one is plastic cosmetic bags or purses. This blue one is for 199 rupees and the red for 139 rupees. To keep all makeup related items in one place and keep in handbag. The material is also good. To keep all makeup related items in one place and keep in handbag while we are traveling. Next one I bought is scarf holder for 35 rupees. You can see here. It is also good. This is multi-purpose hanger. And the next one is plastic round boxes set. Plastic round boxes set for 99 rupees. The plastic is not good. You can see it contains lids separately. I bought this to store flour, any atta flour while kneading chapatis. And the next one I bought is tongue cleaners. The copper one is 19 rupees and the steel one 33 rupees. And a brush box for 22 rupees. Plastic containers, you can see here 4. The material is very good with lids. They cost 79 rupees each. Brought all these containers to store pulses so that I can easily find. The next one is brown basket or organizer for 99 rupees. The material is good. I brought this to store any food items, to store in refrigerator. And the next one is keychain holder. We can use this for keychain holder or to store scissors or anything. I brought this for 99 rupees. It is stickable. And the next one is glass bowls. I bought each one for 19 rupees. 2 bowls, very small bowls. They are very nice and cute. And one small teacup for 19 rupees. This is glass teacup. Salt and pepper sprinklers, 12 rupees each. And the plastic pill box for 39 rupees. To store earrings or rings. You can see here. And the next item is a soap box for 49 rupees. The quality is good and it is also attachable. And the soap dispenser for 49 rupees. You can see here green organizers, 2, 69 each. One I want to use to keep oil bottles in kitchen and the other one to keep any food items in refrigerator. And the last one is this big plastic basket for 189 rupees to store or to organize any food related items. So the prices are affordable. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on the like button. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.